Welcome to the Wedding Budget Planner tutorial. This template is designed to help you easily manage your wedding expenses and stay within budget. First, enter your total wedding budget in the budget section. Next, add all your wedding expenses in the expense tracker table, including the date, amount, category, store, and any notes. For categories, always select from the drop-down list. If you want to add your own expense categories, go to the Drop-Down List tab and enter them there manually. Your new categories will automatically appear in the drop-down menu inside the Wedding Planner tab. To enter dates easily, simply double-click the date cell to open the calendar or date picker. The dashboard updates automatically as you add expenses, including days left till wedding, expense summary, actual spending, remaining budget, and the donut or pie charts. Important reminder: only edit unlocked or input cells, and do not change formula or locked cells to keep the planner working correctly. That's it, simple, organized, and stress-free wedding budgeting.